Hey everyone, this is Caleb Gutierrez, your Communication Committee Chairman, and welcome to this month's update video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we're going to jump right into it because we're going to talk about Shark Week. In case you don't know what Shark Week is, it's going to be our version of Spirit Week. It's happening October 28th to November 1st. Mark your calendars. Each day is going to have a different theme. It's going to be in this live lesson room right here, 1 p.m. Monday through Thursday. It's going to be fantastic. There's contests and challenges. I can't wait. I'm so excited and I can't wait to see all of you guys there. Then the November 1st, that Friday, we're going to have a face-to-face field day. So mark your calendars, November 1st, Friday, field day at Central Winds Park in Winter Springs, Florida from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Don't forget to click the RSVP link so we can plan accordingly. Wear your class colors and bring a picnic lunch in case you get hungry, you get the munchies. And we're going to have a canned food drive to donate to our local fire station. So bring some of that along with you. Can't wait to see you guys there. It's going to be absolutely fantastic and a great way to connect with people. So if you want to find out more information, go join your class meetings October 25th at 11 a.m. All class meetings happen. All the different grade levels find out more information about Shark Week and school-wide events. And then our committee meetings are November 8th for our school-wide events. It's going to be at 11 a.m. Click this link right here. We need your help and look forward to seeing you there. Guys, we've talked about the banner before. This is what it looks like. So in all of your classes, you're going to have grades and announcement pages. This is right here. This little banner right here. All of these are clickable links. This is Student Council's link. Click on this and stay up to date with all the events that are happening school-wide and always stay up to date. Fantastic thing to do. Don't forget, Mega News Network is trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Guys, help us to get there. Click on this. Go subscribe. Mega News Network is basically morning announcements, but in the afternoon, and it happens once a month. The next one is November 4th at 12 p.m. Look forward to seeing all of you guys and all of our events. Don't forget to check out all of our social media pages. And if you want to subscribe to Mega News Network, there's another link over here. All of these slides and information will be right here. If you click on that, it'll take you straight to them so you can RSVP and use all the links. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day.